Hi, my name is Tasneem Sheikh. I am the co-founder director at Apple Engineering Projects Private Limited. My company is into manufacturing of industrial air pollution control equipment. We manufacture industrial fans, industrial dust collectors, and we also have a line where we do industrial HVAC. My company works across multiple domains like automotive, chemical, pharmaceutical. We also do quite a bit of work in food, beverage, dairy, rubber and rubber production, print and packaging. So I did the sales mastering program around COVID, and immediately after that, I enrolled in the personal advisory sessions with Yogesh Pawar. And both of the programs helped me and my company immensely. Personal advisory with Yogesh Pawar was basically a game changer for me, because before that, though we were actually working on the business and the company was running, we were doing decent sales, but scaling is something, and a roadmap to scale with the right tools is something that I learned in the personal advisory program. See, when as a business owner, when you are running and scaling an organization, you cannot afford to stop anywhere. There's always chance for improvement. And so, I mean, my processes definitely have improved since the time I learned the tools, but there's still a lot more to achieve. I had basically enrolled in programs around COVID. We had, of course, some time to go back and reflect on what processes were missing in our businesses and how we could scale to the next level. And of course, during COVID, we also had to learn as to what were the newer tools and technologies we could use to navigate around a situation like COVID. Of course, Akshay Seth's program was around 9 weeks. I did that remotely. The personal advisory was also remote, and but it was pretty intensive. And so we used to get together with me and my husband. Used to get together with Yogesh Pawar on a weekly basis. 6 a.m. in the morning, we would start the sessions. I had to go back and look at what were the things that I was not doing correctly. As a business owner, sometimes those conversations are not very pleasant to have, but they are definitely needed. So the personal advisory and Yogesh not only created a roadmap for me, especially during the program. I would keep coming back to him and ask so many questions. We wanted to, segregate the organization into projects and a product division. We are still working on that. Yogesh essentially taught us more to work on the digitization part and to integrate the departments in a way so that we could create interdependencies in the departments, so that none of the processes would really fall from the loops and the gaps that exist in any kind of company that doesn't have a very comprehensive SAP or ERP system. It was during Yogesh sir's program that we realized that we need to, get into some kind of cloud-based ERP that would create dashboards for us, that would create monthly and weekly roadmaps for us. I realized that I needed to work more on sales tracking, creating and monitoring sales pipelines, work more on my CRM. I would definitely recommend SIL. I would definitely recommend Yogesh Pawar and Akshay Seth to my counterparts, because essentially for small and medium-sized businesses, as owners, we are very hands-on into the business, and so learning to work on the business rather than working in the business is something that Yogesh teaches very, very comprehensively. And working on the business and not in the business is something that Yogesh teaches very passionately, and that is what you really need to take home from the program.